Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are gonna do a modification that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. It's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty cheap, and it does a lot on the look of the car. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing today. Alright guys, so it's gonna be these amber side reflectors. These things are an absolute eyesore to me. I'm so sick of looking at them. Anytime I post a picture of my car on Instagram, I'm always editing these out just so that it is out of the picture when I, post stuff on Instagram of it. But anyways, we're gonna be popping these out, and I've gotten the new ones right here. I was actually really impressed by the shipping. I ordered these not even 2 or 3 days ago, and they arrived. So they're from Auto Technic, I believe, but looks like a perfect paint match, so that's gonna look much, much better just getting rid of that orange. Alright guys, got half of the wheel liner out, so that should give me full access to that reflector, which I can see right here. So we're just gonna have to start taking this off. I believe it's just adhesive tape that's holding it on there, so we'll see how it all goes. Alright guys, well, got the side reflector out. Definitely you got to put some pressure on it because that adhesive tape is really strong. But yeah, just gonna clean out all this leftover residue so that I can have a clean fitment when I install the new one. But yeah, super easy task. Just gotta play around with it and not damage your camera. So here's the old one. Obviously garbage, we don't want that. And I've got the new one, I've got the adhesive tape all lined up on it, so I'm just gonna peel it back and firmly press it on there, but cannot wait to have this on. We got Mike back there. He's got some snow tires. He's adjusting his coils because he got these beefy tires on and he's trying to make them fit now. It went from being low to raised, monster truck height.
Yeah, unfortunately.
But at least he can drive his car in the snow. I can't do that. Alright guys, well, here's the finished product. Looks really good, much better. Definitely needed to get that out of the way, and I'm glad I did today. But we're actually gonna try taking Mike's wheels off of his 135 because they're a staggered setup and see how they would fit on my M4. Really interesting wheel design, so I'm curious to see how this design would look on my car. So why not? We're gonna have fun with it and see what these wheels look like on it. Guys, so we got the wheels off of his 135. We're just gonna test fit them. They're honestly really sick wheels, and I'm just really curious to see what my car is gonna look like with them on. Alright guys, these wheels actually look so sick on my car. This is like baller status with these wheels. The fitment on the rear is like perfectly done as well. Check this out though. I don't mind it. I think this looks really good on my car compared to my stock wheels. Who knows, maybe these could be the next wheels, we'll see. But Mike's actually gonna let me rock them for a car show tomorrow, so we'll see what other people think about them. All right guys, we got all 4 rotoforms on the car. And we're all pretty stoked on how good this actually looks. I'm curious to see how everything's gonna look once they pull it out into the parking lot and see what it looks like outside. But they're just working on getting the center cap to thread in right, because it's just going a little bit loose. But yeah, this is exciting. I've never seen my car with wheels other than these freaking boring stock ones. Zach, he's just enjoying the moment.
That's tight shit. How's the other one? Make sure they don't fly off.
Fitment looks so good in the rear. I would definitely go just a bit wider.
I'd put a slick tire on there, so like,
Air suspension.
Air suspension?
Yeah, because I'm a stance kid, so this is like...
Yeah, it's got the lip for it.
Here, like, let me
I'm
show you
trying
here.
to like influence everybody else to have like nice big wheels with lips and stuff. Everybody here is just apexes and drag
Yeah,
pack.
meaty tires.
This is drag pack.
Oh, okay. Yep. Those look really cool. Gosh, that's such a sick build design for this car. Dang. Guys, these might just have to be the next wheel. That is so crazy. Dang, I didn't realize how boring my stock wheels are until those things were put on my car. That really changed the whole look. Shoot, I may have to save up some money and get those rotoforms now. Right. So weird seeing your car drive from the outside. Dang. Those look so sick. Guys, what do you think? Drop in the comments. Do you guys like these wheels? Should these be the next ones for the M4? All right, let's see your Panda. We'll see it. Does Panda start?